Welcome. If you want to keep your Telegram chat folders tidy and make sure archived chats don't show up where you don't want them, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to exclude archived chats from a folder in the Telegram app on your PC using the latest update. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Wait for it to load, and you'll see your chat list and folders on the left side of the screen. Now, look at the folders in the left menu. Find the folder where you want to exclude archived chats. Right-click on that folder. A small menu will pop up with several options. From the menu, choose Edit Folder. This will open the folder settings window where you can customize which chats are included or excluded from that folder. Next, look for the option labeled Add Excluded Chats. Click on it. Here, you'll see a list of categories you can exclude. Find the option for Archived and check the box next to it. This tells Telegram not to show any archived chats in this folder. Once you've checked the Archived box, go ahead and click Save at the bottom of the window. Telegram will update the folder settings, and now, any chats you've archived won't appear in that folder anymore. That's all it takes. With just a few clicks, you can keep your folders focused only on the chats you want to see, making your Telegram experience cleaner and more organized. If you ever change your mind, you can always go back and adjust these settings by following the same steps. Keeping your chat folders organized is now easier than ever, thanks to these new options. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who use Telegram on PC. Stay tuned for more simple tech tips to help you get the most out of your favorite apps.